In this video you will see Layer3 quest. So for joining this airdrop, come into my telegram channel. So telegram channel I put into this videos comment box. Check out comment box immediately and come into exactly this browser, exactly this telegram. And for join you need to have Layer3 account. It's easy to create, nothing complicated. If you use Glax, maybe you already use this Layer3. Okay, I will show you how do you join in this airdrop. Okay, so go to your extension browser where you have MetaMask, any EVM wallet in your extension, and straightforward, nothing complicated. It will approve, it will want to approve from you. So approve that, confirm, and do connect. Immediately bring into your page. Okay, so if you are new here, create Layer3. As you know, Glax, it's a quest based platform, onboarding platform, where um, cryptocurrency platform are putting their quest for their audience, and they provide reward through Layer3. So Layer3 is the just medium and cryptocurrency platform, and you are is the here is contractor. Okay, you participate there, and they, if you are winner, they give you something through Layer3. Okay, so I already did this thing. So if you wanna do, just click. I wanna show you simple. So let's say I did already this link, this offer. So exactly I put this offer link in my telegram. If you want to join, come into here. So Layer3, I click on there. So it's a quiz based platform like Glax. So here is people to learn as well as to earn, nothing time waste. Okay, about just crypto, there is a lot of people there. Complicated, seems like about crypto is complicated. Okay, so if I click on any offer, let me like see this section link, like interface link, that is uncompleted. Okay, so let's say uncompleted. I'm click on this onboarding advertisement offer. So here is that offer that I put on link on telegram. Exactly that offer link will be like this, because I didn't do this. Okay, so here is Defi on linear. Click on begin, and if you wanna learn, read this thing. Enjoy a streamlined and empowering DeFi experience, whether you are swapping or providing liquidity. You don't need to read this type of thing, just do continue. And here is now it's one of the people think that I don't wanna do that, but you are learning something here as well. As if you do that, and they will give you something. Okay, how to swap, how to breeze. If anyone don't know about that, I will definitely suggest you to doing testnet, doing coming to Layer3. If you want to do mainnet, it will be perfect place for you. And if you want to do freely, I will suggest you watch my uh, like testnet video, where just we are use faucet, that is not worthwhile token. You don't need to waste any time, any money here. Okay, so swap from any token to a token to your choose on linear mainnet. So open. If you want to do, let me see if I have any token in my EVM wallet address. I will definitely do that. I will show you how to do that. Okay, so it is been opening. It will be outside of Layer3. Now maybe you need to connect here your EVM wallet. Okay, MetaMask, token bucket, whatever. So it is totally based on this scene swap that XYZ, their way, like connect wallet, swap any token to any token. This I'm gonna do desktop mode because it is not working in the mobile mode. Let me see now. So it is not working. Okay, now it's working. So now Here is definitely you need to do connect your wallet. So I'm click on there. I definitely want to connect this one, browse wallet, and token market is pop up. Now put your, like, click on connect, bam, it is connecting, and your thing is connect here. Okay, already connect. So I just switch network. Okay, Ethereum, maybe I haven't anything here. I haven't anything, nothing. So what is that? Billboard. So like you can do that like easily. Just put your thing, whatever coin you have, inside of your web3 inside of your EVM address, decentralized wallet, and connect that wallet. And if you have Ethereum, put here any chain, not need to have Ethereum, any chain that you have, like this one, this way insufficient, I haven't, therefore it is happening like this way. So like if you have, you can click on there and immediately begin to next further option and accept them, confirm your swap, and come back layer 3. Okay, here, and click on verify button. It will be immediately verified. Now I didn't do that, therefore it is not messing. So this way, after that, provide liquidity, and after claim rewards. Okay, it's simple to do, straightforward. You can do that easily, so nothing complicated. You cannot see any video about that if you just be master about if you do every day some kind of quest, or if you do like over 10 days, 20 days in this platform, join, like continuously join in airdrop, you will be master about layer 3. Here is tons of airdrop existent. You can join, you can earn a lot of money from there, from this place. Okay, so you just click whatever, you know, airdrop you wanna join. Click on, let's say I'm click on there, but definitely you need to have some token inside of your EVM wallet. Sometimes it's don't need, but sometimes it's need. Okay, so like if I click on there is a lot of airdrop here. So lend on seamless, earned boosted sim appear in addition to the lending appear on seamlessly. Okay, so some requires need where you need couple of token, and definitely after that click on continue, and if you click on that verify button, it will be done. If you maintain this if you definitely did this task confirmed, it will be done. Okay, so straightforward, it's kind of like glax. Okay, so yeah, here is layer 3 quest. Quest is basically loans for crypto lover, those are wanna learn as well as earn. Okay, exactly in airdrop. So this is the video. I'm hoping you will come back my telegram. I wanna help you, I wanna call you. If you wanna any problem, I will solve your problem, whatever it's outside of crypto. So you know, so eh, any kind of question you can ask me. So I have my personal, personal telegram account. You can come into here as well as I will be appreciate about you if you come here. Okay, my channel, here is I do publish video. If you see that it's payment 2225, a lot of payment people get from here. So exactly you will get if you are stay with us. Okay, so see you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.